people affected by anxiety. If you one of the people who have an anxiety disorder, these are common situations, you are not alone. Today, I would like to share with you a little bit about anxiety. Before I continue my speech, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nona Binti Abdullah. My metric number is 2022152129 and I'm from MC 1101A. Alright, anxiety. Anxiety includes feeling uneasy, worries, and nervous with a physical symptoms of stress. This happens when one fears immediate danger, disaster, or bad luck. Anxiety is a very common and normal way people reach to stress. In fact, it is a good some situation by letting us know when there is dangers and helping us get ready for certain situation. Anxiety disorders are different from normal feelings of being anxious and include fear at a level that makes it hard to do simple activities. Knowing the sign of anxiety disorder is the first step towards making sure it does not lead to mental health problems, while many people do not seek for help. Anxiety. It can be treated and help is available. Anxiety disorder include generalized anxiety disorder, phobia, social anxiety, panic attack, and separation anxiety. Mental health professional or counselor can treat anxiety using thought behavior therapy with or without medicine. Look around me. This is a situation of the person has anxiety. Common symptoms of anxiety are sweating, fears, difficult falling asleep, fatigue, and others. Your anxiety symptoms might be different from someone else. That's why it is essential to know how anxiety can present itself. Anxiety may cause you to stop doing anything you enjoy. If left untreated, the anxiety will keep getting worse. Anxiety disorders are the most common form of emotional disorder and can affect anyone. But according to the American Psychiatric Association, women are more likely than men to receive a diagnosis of an anxiety disorder. Here are 2 things that can help you to cope with anxiety. First, start with a growth mindset. Some people have fixed thoughts. They may think, this is how I am. I'm always anxious before talking to the new people. So it's okay to not say hello to them. With a fixed mindset, people don't think to change it. They think they are their ways, period. But based on my research, you can change the way your brain thinks toward a more positive before reaching. People with such a growth mindset, they can be a better and be more confident in dealing with all things including overcoming feelings of anxiety. Second, make a sleep as a priority. Do what you can do and make sure you can get enough sleep to feel rest. This is because enough sleep can provide new energy throughout the day. You also won't be tired and your brain can function properly without thinking about too many things. If you do not sleep well, you can use various methods such as listening to music and reading books. This is because it can reduce your brain thinking your problems are still unresolved. Therefore, good thinking and mental care must also be taken to avoid stress and anxiety. To conclude my speech today, learning to cope with anxiety takes time and patience. Most all of it takes time to practice and being willing to face from situations that bring anxiety. It starts with a small step. The more you practice, the better you will get at managing anxiety. If you have anxiety, please do not be sad, don't stress, and try to think positively. I hope all the information I inform you today can help you to avoid anxiety. Stay strong and stay smile. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.